You got an LS Roadrunner. Something different. Maybe not for everybody. It's kind of like a dark green. Of course, it's got nitrous in it. Oh, big block blower. I thought it was a small block car. Nope, big block. Big block blower. Oh yeah, we got some good lighting over here. They got it crammed in there, don't they? It's pretty cool. Not a lot of room. All the luxuries, all the amenities. Got a go-kart.
So this car originally had a sequential stick shift up on the side of the pod. So we've done away with that. Now it has paddle shifts on the wheel. So yeah.